Belgium that's illegal.
What's going on out here?
We have citizens here who require access to the emergency safety help.
What the heck is on your face, Jim?
Where did you just gotta let us in?
Says who?
The school safety officer.
Well, she's not here right now. So, what do you think means? I'm in charge.
Can we please come in? It's so really please.
Fine. Go. And, you two,
Don't worry, Brenda. We'll do whatever it takes to find Melanie.
Oh, yeah. Go look for Miss Baker. That's your thing. You get an even extra dig again.
But for what?
For the store.
Come on, Wilson. Take a look.
And here's the big line.
Oh no, are you okay?
You don't care about anyone or anything. Everything's a big joke.
What do you care about? Rules?
Yeah, that. And so much more.
Close. Why don't we just go to her house then?
I don't know where that is. Never been by it. Wilson, that is personal property.
Well, I already found it, so we might as well use it.
Clue? Back up. A little more. A little more. A little more. A little more.
It's her address. Will we go there already?
Good idea. That's right. What was that?
Maybe I should drive.
Where did your lump go?
Come on, look at my score. Trust me.
Is there Not a bad trick, Wilson.
Hey, she must have gotten wrong.
Robert?
Split up.
Tactical sweet. Good idea. These fingerprints look fresh. That can only mean that someone has been here. They're struggle, perhaps. Just a go.
Hey, how are you? Here, and you can sometimes they will have when you're Yes, you're moving to California. Oh, man.
Melanie. Melanie? Melanie. Wilson, did you find anything yet? We're about to crack this case.
Well, you got it. Keep looking, Reese. We'll find her someday.
That's right. Turn around. Quitter. There goes Nelson. Turn cool for everyone in school knows.
Shut up.
He doesn't care about nothing or nobody. And nobody cares about him.
You know, I was trying to be nice, but you know what? Here.
But I think this paper has words on it.
Are you kidding? Miss Baker's gone. She's moving to California. If you even have the copy pretended, you could have figured it out by now. I did, and I'm literally a child. You're dumber than a child.
Sorry, Nelson. Lots of people care about you. The food. The food. The whole town.
You got a nice mustache.
California, really the whole I hope you're happy. Would you please?